Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue with the software TIA Portal version 16 with the counter up operation. And in this section, we will learn about how to create sample program of counter up and create the HMI panel for simulation with the counter up. Okay. In the previous video, we already learned about how to simulate the program without PLC by using TIA version 16 and HMI also. Okay. So today we will create one counter up and test with the HMI. Yes. So let's go to our software to start create the program. So first open TIA Portal version 16. Yes. Actually, if we install the software, we will got simulation and the automation license manager or some supporting program. Yes, for simulation and for connectivity with the PLC. Okay. So today I will use the existing project that we already learned on the existing video. Yes. So let me open it. Yes. Wait a moment for open the project for this simulation. Yes. Okay. Wait a moment for opening the project. So let's go to project views. Yeah. And then go to the program log. Yes. And then go to the program log, right? And go to the OP1, double click the OP1. Yes. It's a little bit slow because my computer RAM only 8 GB. Yes. So here is the previous video. So today we will create a counter. Yes. Network to create counter up for simulation with HMI. Okay. And then go here. Yes. Go to basic instruction and then go to counter operations. Yes. And first we will use the counter up operation. Drag and drop the IC counters. Yeah. For counter up. And then click OK. Yes. Okay, like this. So here we can use the some boolean address for counter up. Yes. And here is the output of counter. Yes. So if I use the example M10 M30 30.0, yes, M30.0 example, I will rename the text to enable CTN up enable, yes, CTN up enable. And here for reset, yes, if we would like to reset the counter, we need the first another button for reset, like M30.1, yes, and I will rename the text to be CTN reset up, CTN up reset, yes. And here is the PV. Actually we can use the variable for PV. Example, some address MW to 300, example, $100, yeah, and I will rename this text to be up CTN up PV, yes, and here MW 102, yes, CTN up CV, and here is the output when the count until PV, it will provide the output is turned on, right, for a counter up. So example Q 10.0, yes, CTN up output or CTN up status, yes, like this. So we can save the project and then go to online and simulation, yes, and then go to download. It will pop up the simulation downloading automatically after this one start, yes. Okay, let's wait a moment for compile the configuration and download to the CPU, yes. And here we can online, yes, for check. Okay, so here the output status of counter up is turned on because the PV is 0 and the CV is 0 also. So actually we can simulate like this. Go to M example B30, right? So example I push this 30.0, you see the counter is turned on, yes. And for PV, we can also we can also use this one, MW 100, right? So 100 example, I set 10. Yeah, you see here is 10. So we can count until 10. It will provide the output is turned on. Okay. Yes. So we will create the HMI for simulation the counter for enable and reset the counting, and also show the CV and the status of counter up on the HMI, right? So we need go to HMI. Before create the HMI faceplate or HMI screen, let's go to create the text of HMI first, right? So go to HMI text and then double click, show all text. Yeah. And here we can use like this, yeah, for create the text. So here we can see the both tab, right? For tab program blocks and tab create the text for HMI. Okay, so we easy to create. So the first one is Boolean, right? So we can use the CTN up enable. Yeah, it is the Boolean, and it will start from M %M10 30.0, right? So here I will change to M 30.0. Yeah. And one more for reset, right? So CNT reset. Yes, CNT reset, it will start from 30.1, right? So one more for output, right? Q 10.0. So CTN up status. Yes, status. So I will put Q 10.0, right? So 10.0. And there are two take, yeah, for PV and CV. So we can create CTN up underscore PV, yeah, we can set it, and it is the integer, right? So we put the data type is integer, and it is the MW, yes, MW10, right? MW 100, sorry, MW 100, and the one more for CV, yes, CV. We will use the MW 102, right? So that's all for create the text for HMI. So right now we can create the screen. Yes. To create the screen, let's go to screen. Yes. Example, I will create the screen number 1. So let's click the screen number 1. Yes. Okay. So here I can delete the existing project for screen. Yes. So first we can create the new button for enable the counting, right? enable the counting. Okay, like this, easy to see the text. Okay, we can put like this. Yes. So here is the counting enable, right? So we can write up counter up enable up enable. Yeah. Counter up enable button, and one more for reset counter up, right? So here is reset counter up. Reset counter up. Okay, and one more for button, right? Sorry, for motor stator, example the count up stator. So we can use the motor, yes, like this. Example, I will use the, okay, this motor, yes. So drag and drop the new motor here, yes. And we can resize to be bigger than, yes, this one. And we need to put the number, right, for setting and PV, yes. So drag and drop, yes, like this. And we can use the copy, yes, and paste like this. So if the counter up is accent output, it will change the color of this one from red color to the green color, example, yes. So like this, we can put like this, yes. So first we need to configure the counter up enable, yeah, button. So let's click property, right click and property, and then go to the general, yes. I will resign this one, yes, to like this. So go to the event and then go to freeze, yeah, example freeze, and release. So when press the button enable, it will set the bit, right? So set the bit counter up enable. So here we can choose counter up enable. Where is the counter up enable? Yes, this one. And when we release the mouse, so we can reset, yes, reset the counter bit enable, right? Counter up enable, okay. And one more for reset, right? If we press this button, so set bit counter up reset, right? So counter up reset and then go to release. When we release, it will reset the counter up enable also, okay. Reset the counter up enable. And this one for motor stator. So when the SV equal PV, then the motor is change color, okay, change the animation. So here we can property and then go to color animation, go to display, add new animation and then go apparent, yes, and click here. So we can draw the point for this motor, example the text that we already created for status, right? So if one, it will change to red color, and if the status is one, if 0, it will show the red color, and if it want, it will show the green color. So we can change like this, okay, and we can adjust to be a little bit, yes. And here we can use the property and then go to the general for a set point, right? So here is the PV, yes, integer, and it is the input, yes, decimal, and here we can adjust the text format for middle. Actually we can use middle, right, central and middle, and we can increase the font size like 21 example, and this one also 21, and go to the middle, yes, central also, and let's go to take general, and then choose the CV, right, yes, and it is the output, so we can choose the output, okay. So we can make simulation for this one because we already configure the button and some faceplate, yes. So I will choose the text for this one also, like PV, yes, or we can write SV, yes. The text color, yes, we can choose another color for the text, example yellow, yes, and we can resize also like this, yeah, SV, and copy one more for PV, right? So we can use the CV, yes, CV, go here and then CV, yes, okay, like this. We can adjust a little bit, yes, by go here and then go to general and tick here, because when we not tick the fit to size, we cannot adjust it, right? So we can click here and then we can adjust, yes, one more for this one, yes, can adjust also, okay. So actually it will be a middle, right? Go to text format and then choose the central, yes, this one also choose the central, yes, and we can arrange it, yes, to be like this, okay. So we can save the project and then go to simulation for simulate the status, right? So wait a moment for simulation the status. Okay, right now we can open one more for the main program, and then let's see together for simulation, yes. So here right now the motor is green color, right? Because we saw the PV is equal CV, right? So if we set to example 20, yes, you see the status of output counter up is turned off, right? So when we press this button, yes, for PAL button, yeah, and it will count to 20, and then the motor is change the status, okay. And when if we would like to reset, we can also reset, yes, like this, reset the button, yes, 30.1, why not off, Yes, let me check again. 30.1, right? Reset button 30.1, and then let's go to screen to check the screen again. So property, yes, and then go to event, check here, CT up reset, and this one CT up reset, right? It's correct, but why it not work? CT and up reset, yes. Let's simulate together again, yes. Yes. Reset 30.1. Let me check the text again. M30.1, right? Correct. It is the boolean. And this one, yes. Okay, here is my mistake, because we when we press the button, we should choose the set, yes, set bit, yes, and we will choose the bit counter, yes, counter up for reset. Okay, and when we release, it will reset the counter up, right? Okay, so right now we test again. Sorry for a mistake. So we can simulation again, yes. Let's open here and then go to simulation, yes. And then if I would like to click, yes, the reset, yes, you see the counter is reset to 0. If I set to 10, yes, and then I click here again until 10, 8, 9, 10, yes, the motor is change the status from red color to green color. Okay, so here we can also write like this. So I will copy this one to here and then paste, yes. So here we can write counter up operation, yes. Counter up operation, and I will adjust this one to here, yes, like this. I will change this color to be like this, yes. Okay, and for this button we also can change the color. Example, the green color. So let's go to property and then go to apparent, and here I can choose the solid and choose the green like this example, and this one solid also, and I can choose the red color for reset, and this one we can use the black color, right, for text button like this, yes. So I will adjust a little bit. Okay, like this. Free shift and click, we can move the object, yeah, like this. And we can simulation again, yes. Okay. Oh, this one is so big, right? So I will adjust the font a little bit, yes. Adjust the font a little bit to be smaller than this. Example 36, yes. And adjust this one to be like this. Okay. Then we save the project and then we test again. Okay. So it is the just example, yes, for reference about how to simulation the counter up on the software TIA version 16. Okay. So here I can set line 12, example set 12, you see the PV is 12 and the CV is 10. So I can press, yeah, to up, yes. And if I would like to reset, I can press the reset, yes. The counter will be reset to 0, yes. And I can press again, yes. So it is the instruction how to create the sample program of counter up for simulation with the TIA version 16. And I hope everyone will understand about this video and can do it. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if everyone have any questions, please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.